Yo, what's up, producers? This is Alien Chaos, and this is a new episode of Making Hitech on Bitwig. So now we are making a sound design session. I'm going to make a beep and a pluck sound on the same patch using only stock device from Bitwig. So let's go. Okay, this is the project we already have. We already made some sound design and kick and bass and drums. If you skip this lesson, so go to the previous video to watch entirely. So now to make this beep, I'm going to use Polygrid as well, which is our master plugin from this synthesis module. Okay, going to do step by step for you guys. So now let's start with the envelope, totally straight, and then I'm gonna drop an arpeggiator here because this will be much more like a sequence sound. I'm gonna bypass the EQ, and for this sound I like to use square wave. Okay, let's start by doing this will be the fundamentals of the sound. It's very robotic, right? Very high tech. And now I'm gonna drop oscillator, a triangle oscillator on the phase modulation. Ooh, super nice. Okay, I'm not gonna use chance right now. Maybe some LFO here, creating the stereo. This is totally a new dimension. I like that. Okay, let's stay with that. And then you can also play with ADSR. Make it very plucky. So that's the idea. Okay, but now the sequence is very predictable, right? So to create more movement in this, I'm going to add modulators here. And what I like to do is LFO, let's go, random. Okay, and then I'm gonna move the steps. So let's move this with the random, like this. I can also move this on the fly, but let's say okay, let me deactivate. And now we can activate again. Nice, nice. Let's move to the recording. Okay, so okay, just drop here, record, and let's go. Oh, I think that's enough. Yeah, this was our class from today, so hope you enjoy and learn something new. Give a like in this video, drop some comments, share with your friends, support this channel, and let's make some noise, guys. See you in the next video.